Welcome back my YouTube channel Supercars TV 99. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is more than just a supercar, it's a bold statement of what the future of Italian performance and luxury looks like. With its aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, and blistering performance, the F80 raises the bar not just for Ferrari but for the entire automotive world. Every inch of this machine speaks the language of speed and innovation, from the meticulously sculpted bumpers to its aerodynamically enhanced body. At first glance, the front bumper grabs your attention with its sharp, angular lines and huge air intakes that scream performance. Ferrari has clearly prioritized cooling and downforce, giving the F80 an F1-inspired look. The headlights are slim and futuristic, perfectly integrated into the flow of the design. The carbon fiber accents are more than just for show, they reduce weight and add structural rigidity. It's clear Ferrari wanted the F80 to look like it's in motion even when it's standing still. From the side, the Ferrari F80 maintains its low, wide stance, hugging the road like a predator stalking its prey. The flowing lines channel air over the body, improving high-speed stability and cooling. The scissor doors, a first for Ferrari in this category, open upwards to make a dramatic entrance every time. Massive side skirts and aero fins further emphasize the car's high-performance nature. Sitting on 21-inch lightweight forged wheels with carbon ceramic brakes peeking through, the F80 is as beautiful as it is brutal. Inside, the Ferrari F80 blends racing DNA with high-tech luxury. The cockpit is minimal yet immersive, built around the driver like a jet fighter. A fully digital instrument cluster, advanced HUD, and a race-inspired steering wheel with integrated controls make sure everything you need is within a finger's reach. Alcantara and carbon fiber dominate the cabin, providing a tactile, performance-oriented feel. Seats are thin, bucket-style, but surprisingly comfortable, holding the driver firm during aggressive cornering. A redesigned infotainment system supports voice control, wireless CarPlay, and even AI-assisted driving modes. From the back, the F80 is all about dominance. Quad exhausts roar with raw energy, and the wide diffuser ensures the car stays planted at high speeds. The taillights are razor-thin, connected by a sweeping light bar that adds to its futuristic appeal. A massive active spoiler deploys at speed to increase downforce, and the rear bumper integrates aerodynamic elements that channel air perfectly, reducing drag while boosting performance. Under the hood, the F80 is expected to feature a hybrid V8 engine producing over 1,000 horsepower, combining Ferrari's traditional combustion power with electric torque for lightning-quick acceleration. Reports suggest a 0-60 time under 2.3 seconds and a top speed exceeding 250 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest road cars ever made. The Ferrari F80 is expected to launch in late 2025 or early 2026 with a starting price rumored around $3 million. While most will never own it, the F80 represents a dream realized for automotive enthusiasts worldwide. A glimpse into the future, engineered in Maranello, and born to conquer.
Thanks for watching.